Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a tool that helps you auto-post on Instagram and how to make your posts. Get more engagement on Instagram in a completely legit way. This is the interface of MKT Instagram. With this software, you can grow and manage your Instagram accounts fully automatically. First, let's look at the auto-posting feature. Here we have Post Instagram, Post Reel, and you can also check your posting history. If you're a business owner and want to track what your staff is doing, this part is super convenient. The Instagram post section is very simple. For safety, set the delay between actions to 30 to 40 seconds. You can repeat actions by clicking here. Oh, and by the way, our software already supports multiple languages, so feel free to use whichever language you prefer. In the content settings, you can pull content from any Instagram account you want. The software will take the photo and caption and repost it either exactly the same or with AI edited content. But personally, I usually use content I've prepared beforehand. Just select your content and hit save. You can post multiple pieces of content at once. If you want all accounts to use the same content, enable Allow Duplicate Content. If you want all accounts to perform the actions at the same time, also enable Allow Duplicate Actions. In the posting configuration, you can choose how many posts each account will publish, what size or format you want, hashtags, and target audience, location tags, and even interactions after posting. For example, liking the post or leaving comments. Just type your comment templates here. Next is posting reels. Honestly, this part works almost exactly the same. So I'll just show you a quick demo. And now for the most important part, getting engagement. A good post needs interaction, and the seeding feature helps your posts reach, explore, and boost visibility on Instagram. The general and content settings are similar to before. Inside the seeding settings, you have multiple options. Most of them work the same way: liking posts, liking comments, etc. Let me show you a quick example. I'll test the reel seeding feature. Just paste your reel link here, select your accounts, and hit run. That's it.